Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chanabelle here. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the new Nintendo Switch 2. It just released on June 4th this year, and I had I meant June 5th. Sorry, the date mixed up. I was off by one day. But this I had pre-ordered this back in April, and it got delivered when I was in Jamaica, so that's why I'm just doing the video right now. But I'm super excited to compare it to the old one. So let's uh, open it and see what it comes with.
Flip it over.
Okay. Oh, here we go, guys. So this is what you see first. Ta-da! And look how it is. It feels so much bigger than the old ones. Okay. And then these are the Joy-Cons that you slide and then you attach it to the Switch. And then let's see what else is in the box. You gotta be very careful because I don't want to damage anything. But oh yeah, and then inside, I forgot to show you before I start showing all the stuff. This is the manual paperwork that tells you how to set everything up. And then these are what? What are these? I'm kind of slow. Oh, that's why I want you to talk because you know more about Nintendo than I do. And then this is the
They're
cable.
the wrist strap things.
Oh yeah, the wrist straps.
So you don't throw your Joy-Con at the TV.
Okay,
And it lets you use mouse mode.
This is the what? HDMI cable.
Mm-hmm.
Then next is what is this thing to like hold the Switch?
That's so you can put the Joy-Cons in it and make a controller, sort of.
Oh, well, don't you have the actual controller for the Switch and this one? So I wanted to show you. So Tibo does have the Switch 2 controller, which is cool because you guys on the back of the controller it has the buttons right here. The old controller doesn't have this one. So that's the difference between the Switch 2 controller and this one. So I want to show you the difference. See, this is the first Switch controller. And see how the back doesn't have the buttons? And then this is the new Switch 2 controller. And the buttons, I mean the what do you call these? Joysticks are a lot smoother than the old ones. I was playing it last night when we were playing Mario Kart, which I'll show the games in a second, but I just wanted to show off the two controllers for that.
So spoiler, this has already been opened.
Oh my god, I messed up. I'm horrible at these, but I still wanted to show it off anyways. Because now, okay, so this is a block, a charging block. It's almost big as that, like the Apple one. And it's USB-C. And another cord. So these are all the cords that comes with it.
Yeah, the charging cord.
Yeah. And what else? And this is the last part, right? So this is the dock that holds the Switch 2 to put it in if you're like attaching it to the TV. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. What's inside the box? Okay, so he's gonna. Oh, never mind.
No, I want you to do it. Okay.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to put the Joy-Cons onto the Switch because it's different than the Switch 1, and it's magnetic. So it's pretty cool how you attach them like that. Because the old one I had to slide it off and on. This one just clicks easily. Look. It's like magic. And then taking it off, there's these buttons on the back, which I didn't know And so, but when you press it, you have to pull the sides off, because if you just press it, it won't come off easily. You have to pull it off. The same with the other side. You press this button, and then you have to pull it off, and that's how they come off. So that's pretty cool, and I like the way this feels, because it's like, how would I explain? It's like smooth, and it feels more comfortable. Uh, oh, and then now we're gonna talk about the games. So he got the Mario Kart World for the Switch 2, and I want to show you what the game looked like. So that is what the Mario Kart game for the Switch 2 looks like. And then I wanted to show you one of the game from the Switch 1. The reason why I want to show you the Zelda game, it's because you can play the Switch 1 games on the Switch 2. It's basically like a Switch Pro. And the difference is, you see how this one is a black color, and then this one is a red. So that's how you can tell the difference between a Switch 2 game and a Switch 1 game. So that's pretty neat. That's very interesting. Okay, and now I want to show you the other Switches. So I want to show you my Switch. So I have the old Switch.
No, put the Joy-Cons on the new one and hold them up.
Put the
together.
Oh, put it back on first. Okay. Okay. So look at the size comparison between, this is my Switch 1 and this is the Switch 2. You see how much bigger it is in size, and the Switch 2 feels a lot smoother.
The original one looks almost like a toy.
Yes.
Compared to the new one.
Yeah.
It has more of a premium look.
And then,
even though yours has a custom case and everything.
This is the Switch 1 LTE, right?
Lite.
Lite, sorry. Switch Lite.
Which is even smaller.
Yep. Look how tiny it is compared to the Switch 2.
Yeah.
But let me know, guys. Have you guys got the Switch 2 yet? Have you guys? Because we pre-ordered ours in April, and it came exactly when it said it was gonna come, early at like 7 something in the morning.
I'm gonna hit the button, turn it on.
Where? This is the turn on? Okay, so this is the power button. I'm still getting used to it, guys. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. So the power button's on the top left-hand corner here. And there it is. It says Nintendo Switch 2. And the clicky button's different too. I don't know. My own's go, it's like louder. See? And you can move and view all the different games. And the screen looks like crystal clear too. That's neat. But it still makes that same noise as the Switch 1. I'm curious, if you guys got one of these, where did you get yours from? Because I know now it's like hard to get one, because like everywhere you go, like whether it be Target, Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, Costco, like they had them more again, like selling them, and then all of a sudden they ran out. Basically now they're sold out everywhere. But what games are you excited for the Switch 2? And have you got yours yet, or are you planning to get one? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the unboxing and comparing the Switch 2 to the Switch 1 and the Switch Lite. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next adventure. Bye.